Hello, my dear students. I am your computer teacher. I hope all of you are safe and fine. In this video, we will discuss the question answers of lesson 3 of class 4. So let us start. So the first question is 3A. Define multimedia. The answer is, so what is multimedia or define multimedia? This is the same question. Multimedia is a combination of videos, still images, audio and text in such a way that it can be accessed interactively. So what is multimedia? It is a combination of many videos, images, audios and text. These are combined in that way that can be accessed interactively. Next question is number B. Explain the role of multimedia in the field of education, business, medicine, research. So we have to discuss the role of multimedia in these four different fields. So in the field of education, what is the use of multimedia? Education. In the field of education, multimedia is used to produce computer based training, CBT courses and reference books like encyclopedia. So in education, multimedia is used to produce some computer based training. The full form of computer based training is CB. The short form of computer based training is CBT. This is a computer course, and through multimedia we can also produce reference books like encyclopedia for education. Next, business. So in the business field, office applications such as word processing packages or a spreadsheet tool becomes a powerful tool with the aid of multimedia business. So with the help of multimedia, office applications such as Word and Excel spreadsheets, Microsoft Word and Excel spreadsheets become more powerful tool in business purpose. For example, we can add animations, special effects and sounds in PowerPoint presentations. For example, we can in the office in the business purpose we can make presentations, PowerPoint presentations with the help of multimedia by adding animations, special effects and sounds in a presentation. So in the next, in the field of medicine, in medicine doctors can get trained by looking at a virtual surgery with the help of multimedia. So with the help of multimedia in medicine purpose, doctors can be trained for different surgeries by looking at virtual surgeries with the help of multimedia. With the use of multimedia, they can also simulate how the human body is affected by diseases spread by viruses and bacteria and then develop techniques and medicines to prevent diseases. So with the use of multimedia, we can also artificially see that how human body is affected by any disease or by any virus or bacteria, and by seeing that we can develop the techniques and medicines to recover from that disease. Next, research purpose. In scientific research, multimedia is mainly used for creating models and simulations. So in research purpose, in science research mainly, multimedia is used for creating models and simulations, means artificial model, can create artificial model for anything. For example, a scientist can look at a molecular model of a particular substance and manipulate it to arrive at a new substance. So, for example, here is an example given. With the help of multimedia simulation process, a scientist can look into a molecular model of a particular thing, and they can manipulate it, and then can arrive at a result. Next question is number C. List of software that are used for developing multimedia content. So, the answer is the softwares that are used for developing multimedia content are, these softwares are used for develop multimedia contents. These are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, CST for graphics. Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator CST are used for graphics. Macromedia Flash for animation. To make animation you can use Macromedia Flash. Adobe InDesign for text editing, etc. And you can also use Adobe InDesign for editing text. Next, how do you use multimedia in your daily life? So, how we use multimedia in our daily life? We use multimedia in our daily life in many ways. Like we use multimedia in our daily life in many ways, like listening to music, playing. We can listen to music with the help of multimedia. Next, playing computer or mobile games. We can play computer or mobile games, which is a pure example of multimedia. Watching TV, you can watch TV. This is also multimedia use. Watching educational videos, etc. This is also multimedia use. So, in this four and many ways we can use multimedia in our daily life. We are using multimedia in our daily life. So, I hope all of you have understand. Thank you.